Weight. Weight is a measure of the force of gravity acting on an object. Ounce. An ounce, OZ, is a unit of weight used in the imperial system. It is commonly used to measure small amounts of mass, such as food or stamps. Conversions. 1 ounce is approximately 28.35 grams. 1 gram is approximately 0.0353 ounces. Example. A gold bar weighs about 38 ounces. How many grams is that? 1 ounce is approximately 28.35 grams. Hence, 38 times 28.35 is approximately 1077.3 grams. Pound. A pound, lb, is a unit of mass used in the imperial system and the US customary system. lb is derived from the Latin libra. Conversions. 1 pound is around 0.454 kilograms. 1 kilogram is around 2.205 pounds. Example. We want to know how much the weight of 70 kilograms is in pounds. We said 1 kilogram is approximately 2.205 pounds, and this 3 dot symbol means therefore. So therefore, 70 times 2.205 pounds is approximately 154.35 pounds. Short ton, TN. A ton is a unit of weight in the US and UK systems with different values. Short ton, US, 2,000 pounds, 907 kilograms. Long ton, UK, 2,240 pounds, 1,016 kilograms. Conversions. 1 short ton is around 907.18 kilograms. 1 kilogram is approximately 0.001 short ton. Example. A truck carries 5 short tons of cargo. How many kilograms is that? 1 short ton is around 907.18 kilograms. This implies 5 times 907.18 is approximately 4,535.92 kilograms, which is 4.5 metric tons. Long ton, LT, WT. Conversions. 1 long ton is approximately 1,016.046 kilograms. 1 kilogram is around 0.00098 long ton. Example. A load weighs 2 long ton. How many kilograms is that? We had said that 1 long ton is around 1,016.046 kilograms. Therefore, 2 times 1,016.046 is around 2,032.092 kilograms, which is 2 metric tons and a bit more.